with me I have Crompton Fan-O-Lite ceiling fan, which I showed you previously. So today we are going to be restoring it. So let's start tearing it down. Already in the previous video you have seen I've torn down and shown you the colors. So today we will tear down the main motor and its components and we'll do the restoration. Let's get started. The thing, I have disassembled the fan. I haven't disassembled it completely because this cover doesn't want to come out. This nut is jammed. So I will assemble this back. We'll sand it directly onto this and paint it without damaging this. I'm not painting this motor because it's concealed inside those and it's not visible. Just a deep cleaning should do. So let's get started and start sanding all of these. Yeah, let's disassemble the blades first. So guys, everything is sanded, ready to be painted. We'll just have to make the painting arrangements and we can start painting. And about this piece, I have sanded it on this. I'll tape it up, make it ready and we'll paint it. Let's get started. We're all set to paint. But before that, I'm going to answer a few questions. So people might ask, this is electroplated. Why are you spray painting it? Now the reason being is electroplating doesn't do. It lasts long but it starts rusting. Painting is like a more permanent anti-rust type of solution which I'm preferring at the moment due to lockdown and stuff. So I'm unable to get access to paint. Unable to get access to electroplating machine. But don't worry, we have a spray can. Let's start painting. First insides of the bodies and then the rest of it is just basic. So guys, a few hours later, now all the golden painted parts have dried because these are spray paint and these are very thin type of paints. These gold and silvers, they dry very quickly. The blades are still on the stage of drying, so let them dry. While they dry, let's start assembling the motor and stuff, and by then we'll wait tomorrow and assemble the blades. Let's get started. So this is the next day here. As you can see, yesterday we assembled the fan. Today we'll assemble the blades and we'll do a test run of the fan. Let's get started. So guys, the fan is finally assembled. I'll print the label, stick it, and then let's install it on the ceiling and see how it performs. Fan is finally installed. As you can see, I've put bulbs as well. I fixed the switch connection so it will work as I need it. The fan's blades are slightly unbalanced. I have to do it, but due to the time constraints I'm unable to, so we'll shoot the video as it is. I'll run it for a short while. Let's switch it on slowly. So as you can see, performance is really awesome. Let the fan slow down. So now we'll test the switch. Now the fan and bulbs are running together. Now it is switched off. Fan is off, bulbs are on. So now as you can see, fan has no job. It's only the lights. You can see the bulbs. See, two orange to white. I would have loved to put LEDs, but that's it. So guys, let me know how was the restoration. Did you like it or not? And also give your tips to make my restorations better. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in my next video coming very soon.